Hi, it's Anthony from okuplay.com, and today we're checking out the Elygo noise isolating headphones for the Oculus Quest 2. These are in-ear buds for the Oculus Quest 2. They've got a set length, so they easily wrap around your Quest 2 without too much hassle or any excess cables. They have a couple of grommet earbud connectors on the top, and you get another set of two more pairs, big size and slightly smaller size for your ears as well. They roughly cost about £13, or I'd say about $16 if you can get them in the US. They are very lightweight material. They've got silver end caps, and they're just basically gonna help improve immersion in VR. They're definitely gonna improve the stock sound, and I'm hoping if they've got good isolation in the actual grommets itself, they should deliver really good bass. So hopefully clear trebles and just general good stereo separation in VR games generally on your Quest. So let's just get them installed and see how well they fit. So the actual earpieces are transparent, and you've got the driver here. Take them off, you've got the driver there. And these earpieces just literally push back on, and you've got obviously one super long piece here that goes to your right ear, and then you've got a very short attachment point and a very short extension to your left ear. So they're not microphone ready, they've only got two poles, and you would just literally plug that into your Quest in here. You might want to maybe bring it up and over and then have it sort of dangle on the inside. And the other strap, you could probably utilize this and either have that running around the back and then dangling off your other ear, or you could actually bring it over the front and then having it bring it over the front that way there. But I think personally it looks better, and it probably feels better as well if this actually ran along the back. Now with the Elite strap, for example, you've got the addition to maybe buy some hooks and attach these to the side so they're actually ready to go as they're dangling off the side of your Quest Elite strap. And then you could probably tuck the actual cable in or behind the Elite strap. That would make it look a little bit more seamless. And here you could probably attach it again here and let the earpieces dangle over the Elite strap here too. So that's the Elygo noise isolating earphones for the Quest 2. Right, so here they are attached to the Oculus Quest 2. I've done a number of things here. I'm also using the Elygo head strap, that you can check out the review for that very soon. And what I like about this head strap is that this back piece has a bit of velcro attaching it, and if you can loosen it, you can insert this cable all the way around the back, and that just keeps it very neat, and it's just all hanging out there ready to go, and you don't have to worry about any clips. You could probably have a clip just anchoring this down a bit, that could actually go into here a bit nicer and maybe clip it here. But it's really nice. It would have been nice if they supplied some clips so you can attach it to an Elite strap or even the soft strap, just to keep everything all together. And the benefit of this strap from them as well is that you can actually clip the cable actually inside the padding, which is really handy. So to attach it, it's a good fit. These are actually in a good range of where your ears will generally be. And then once you insert them, you really do cancel out a lot of the outside noise being in earbuds. If you've got a very short cable, there's no real right or wrong as to where you can actually position these, but as long as you get a good seal in your ear, you're going to get really good bass out of these headphones. And I reckon they look good, quite discreet. It's got a good enough cable length for even bigger heads to allow you this to stretch as you bring the headband back on an Elite strap or any other strap. And the sound of them is really, really good. I've played Medal of Honor. You'll probably see me wear them in a gameplay video, either prior to this video or afterwards. And I reckon they do a very good job with the sound, and for their price, they're very good deal generally. And I'm sure there are definitely other Quest headphones out that we've got to try ourselves, but generally, as earphones go, they do a very good job with games generally and in music. The bass is very responsive. You're not going to be listening to music as much in this unless you're playing Beat Saber and things like that, but they'll definitely be good for music games too. And the bass is there if you're playing good action shooters. And the in-ear bud form factor is definitely going to isolate any sound from anything outside your headset as well. So bear that in mind when you're playing and there's family around you. You're not gonna hear them. And these are really, really good earphones for your Quest 2. So these are the Elygo noise isolating earbuds for the Quest 2. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It really helps us out. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.